Dear students, welcome all of you to this nomenclature session again. In this session, we can name some we can name the branched chain alkanes or substituted alkanes. See, CH3, CH3, what is its IUPAC name? Parent chain has 3 carbon. One, two, 3 carbon, or it may be 1, 2, 3, whatever may be. Parent chain has only 3 carbon. There is a substituent of CH3 group, that is at the second carbon. So its name is 2-methyl group. CH3 group is named as methyl, 2-methyl propane. It is the IUPAC name. Its common name is that isobutane, right? CH3, CH2, CH. It is a 4 carbon chain parent. 4 carbon chain parent chain has 4 carbon. This is your parent chain. This is a substituent that is methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane. Clear? It is 2-methyl butane. Between number and the substituent, you have to place a hyphen. First letter begins with a capital. 2-methyl, there is no gap between substituent and the word root. This is 2-methyl butane. CH3, parent chain has 4 carbon, 2 substituents, whatever may be in the numbering, locants are same. It is 2-methyl, 3-methyl, 2-methyl, 3-methyl. If identical substituents are there, they can be taken together. So it is 2, 3 hyphen dimethyl. D should be capital, dimethyl butane. Okay. Next one. This is 3 carbon chain. Second carbon has 2 methyl groups. It is 2-methyl, 2-methyl, that is it is 2, 2. Each and every substituent has a number. Second carbon has 2 methyl groups, 2,2-dimethyl propane. Its common name is neopentane. Parent chain has 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 substituents, ethyl and methyl, with the same set of locants. 3, 4. Here also 3, 4. If different substituents are at equivalent position, then alphabetical priority, it is 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexane. Hexane, clear. Next one, CH3, this is parent chain has 3, 4, 7 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two substituents, ethyl and methyl, locants 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this numbering should be preferred. It is 3-ethyl. (4-methyl). So name of this molecule is 3-ethyl. 3-ethyl. 4-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heptane. Right? This one, if bond line structure is given, what is its name? Parent chain has 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon butane. 1, 2. Second carbon has methyl group. It is 2-methyl butane. This is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, dimethyl butane. What is its name? What is its name? Here, identify the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1, 2. When numbering from here 1, 2, 3, this is correct numbering. 2, 3, dimethyl pentane. Clear? 2, 3, dimethyl pentane. What is its name? What is the structure? CH3. Here, this is 2,2-dimethyl propane. This is, what is its name? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2, 2, dimethyl 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. This is, what is the name of this molecule? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 3, dimethyl pentane. Right? What is this molecule? Parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3-ethyl. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl. It is 3-ethyl, 3-methyl hexane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3-ethyl, 3-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane. This is one, two, three, four, 5. It is 3,3, 3-ethyl, 3-ethyl, 3,3-diethyl pentane. Next one. This is, what is its name? CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2,3-dimethyl butane. This one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the longest possible continuous carbon chain. It is 6 carbon chain. Hexane is the parent. 3, 4, 3, 4 dimethyl. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4 dimethyl hexane. This one. Parent chain has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is the correct way of numbering. It is 3, 4. 3 with methyl, 4 with methyl, 3, 4 dimethyl heptane. Clear? This one. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Second carbon has 2 methyl groups. 2, 2, 2, 2 dimethyl propane. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 3-methyl pentane. One, 2, 3, 4. It is 2-methyl butane. Next one is CH3. Its name is, parent chain has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 carbon. It is decane. One, 2, this is the correct numbering. Two, 7 dimethyl decane. Second carbon has methyl group. 7th carbon has methyl group. 2, 7 dimethyl decane. This is one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 decane. Substituents ethyl and methyl. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Numbering can be done from any side. Since substituents are different, alphabetical priority 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 3-ethyl, 3-ethyl, 8-methyl, 3-ethyl, 8-methyl decaine. 10 carbon atoms are present in the parent chain. Decaine is the parent. Substituents are different. They are at equivalent position. Alphabetical priority 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 2 bromo, 9 chlorodecaine. Here it is, two different substituents, not at equivalent position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Locants are 2 and 4. If numbering from here, 1, 2, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 and 5. This is your correct numbering. It is 4 bromo, 2 chlorohexane. Now you are familiar to name branched chain alkanes. Next one. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is your parent chain. 1, 2, this is the correct numbering. Substituents are 2 methyl, 3 2 methyl, 2 methyl, 3 methyl, 5 methyl, 2, 2, 2 methyl, again 2 methyl, 2 methyl, 2 methyl, 3 methyl, 5 methyl, 4 ethyl. So name is 4 ethyl, 2, 2, 3, 5, tetramethyl, 4 ethyl, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 5, tetramethyl heptane parent. Now you are familiar to name this type of branched chain alkanes. Next one, naming of alkenes. Alkenes are naming of compounds having carbon-carbon double bond. If molecule has one double bond, then it is named as alkene. One double bond, then it is alkene. Two double bonds, alkadiene. Alkadienes. Two double bonds, alkadienes. One double bond alkene, two double bonds alkadiene. See, if to name an alkene, to name a molecule having carbon-carbon double bond, what is done is you have to identify the longest carbon chain having carbon-carbon double bond. That's all. Suppose this is your alkene. It is a 4-carbon chain with 1 double bond. So this is your parent chain. Number the chain from one end to the other. No other functional group is there. Here double bond takes priority. Number the chain from one end to the other in such a manner that double bonded carbon gets lowest number. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This numbering is correct. 4-carbon buta. Double bond ENE, where the double bond is located between first and second carbon, the lowest number is 1, so it is buta 1E or 1 butene. One, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever may be the numbering, double bond is between second and third carbon, it is butadiene. Clear? Next one. Here, the longest chain has 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that longest chain does not contain double bond. In this case, you have to consider the chain having carbon-carbon double bond as the parent. So this should be your parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, whatever may be the direction. It is a 4-carbon chain with the 1 double bond. Then number the chain from one end to the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2-ethyl buta 1E. If double bond is present, then double bonded carbon including chain should be the parent if it has less number of carbon atoms. Even though it has less number of carbon atom, this one should be the parent. So this is 2-ethyl buta 1E. See, CH3, CH2, 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 C double bond CH2. Here double bonded carbon containing chain. This is your parent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom. It is pent 1E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent 1E. Second carbon atom is having methyl group. It is 2-methyl pent 1E. 2-methyl pent 1E. This one, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, deca 4E. 1, 2, dec 4E. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This numbering is correct. What is its name? 5,6. 5,6. Sorry? Yes. 5,6 dimethyl. Correct? 5,6 diethyl. 5,6 diethyl dec 4E. Next. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5, 6 diethyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 duck 5ene. 5, 6 diethyl duck 5ene. Here it can be numbered from any one of the ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6 diethyl duck 1, 2, 3, 4, 5ene. Here it is methyl. In this case, it should be numbered from here only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 5, 6 diethyl. Two methyl. 5, 6 diethyl. 2 methyl duck 5ene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is. It can be numbered from any end. It is 5, 6 diethyl duck 5ene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is methyl. It is bromine. Here numbering should be done from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 5 brom. It is 2 bromo. It is 2 bromo. 5, 6 diethyl. 2 bromo. 5, 6 diethyl. 9 methyl duck 5. It is 2 bromo. Come on. 5, 6 2 bromo. 5, 6 diethyl. 9 methyl duck 5e. Compounds having double bonds 1, 2, 3. It is 2 methyl pentatone. 4 carbon chain parent, substituent methyl. 1, 2. This is the correct numbering. 2 methyl butadiene. Next one. This is double bonded system. Parent chain has 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Since double bond is at the terminal carbon, this should be the first carbon. Numbering is like this, done in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Its name is 3-chloro. Third carbon atom is having chlorine. 3-chloro, 2-methyl. 3-chloro. 3-chloro, 2-methyl. But 3-chloro, 2-methyl. Third carbon atom is having chlorine. Second carbon atom is having methyl group. 3-chloro 2-methyl buta-1-ene. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain. This is your parent chain. Double bond is there. Double bond is at the second carbon, 1, 2 from here, 1, 2. Whatever may be the numbering side, double bond is between second and third carbon. Here, this numbering provides bromine atom at the first carbon. This is your correct numbering. This is CH3, CH, double bond C. This is the structure of this molecule. Double bond is there. Second carbon atom is having double bond 1, 2, 1, 2. This numbering is correct because this numbering gives bromine. There is a substituent at the first carbon. So name of this molecule is 1-bromo 2-methyl 1-bromo. Come on, 1-bromo 2-methyl 1-bromo 2-methyl buta-2-ene. Clear? Next one. Compounds having 2 double bonds. If molecule is having 2 double bonds, then it is named as alkadiene. One, two, three, four, but. It is butadiene. Alkadiene, alkane, drop Ne and add diene, it is alkadiene. This one, CH2 double bond CH, double bond CH2, 4 carbon atoms. Double bonds are at the terminal position. It is 4 carbon chain with 2 double bonds. It is named as buta, alka, buta. There should be a alka where the double bonds between first and second carbon as well as third and fourth. It is buta 1,3-diene. Buta 1,3-diene. Next one. Name this molecule. It is a molecule having 2 double bonds. No other priority group. No other substitute. No other functional group in this molecule. Double bonds. One of the double bonds is at the terminal position. This should be the correct numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If this is the numbering, double bond is between first and fifth carbon. If this is the numbering, double bond is between second and fifth. So this numbering is correct. What is its IUPAC name? This molecule is named as one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are substituents, methyl groups at the second and sixth carbon. Its name is 2-methyl 6-methyl, that is 2,6-dimethyl. Parent chain has 7 carbon, 2,6-dimethyl, hepta 1 and 5, hepta 1,5-diene. Hepta 1,5-diene. This is alkadiene 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2-methyl, 2-methyl buta 1,3-diene. 2-methyl buta 1,3-diene is commonly called isoprene. Isoprene is the monomer of natural rubber. Isoprene is the monomer of natural rubber. Next one, CH2. This is 2-chloro. 4 carbon atoms are in the straight chain. 2 double bonds are alkadiene, butadiene, first and third carbon. This is the correct numbering. It is 2-chloro, buta, 2-chloro, buta hyphen 1,3-diene. It is the monomer of neoprene. It is the monomer of neoprene. It is called a chloroprene. Its common name is chloroprene. So you have to know the common names of, you have to know the structures and names of 2-methyl buta 1,3-diene and 2-chloro buta 1,3-diene. 2-methyl buta 1,3-diene is called isoprene. 2-chloro buta 1,3-diene is called chloroprene. Isoprene is the monomer of natural rubber, while chloroprene is the monomer of neoprene, that is a synthetic rubber. Clear? Next one. Compounds having carbon-carbon, carbon-carbon triple bond. Similarly, all compounds having carbon-carbon double bond, there is one triple bond in the molecule. It is called alkyne, alkyne. If there are 2 triple bonds, it is alkadiene. Rules are similar to that of alkynes and alkadienes. Alkynes and alkadienes can be named as like that of alkenes and alkadienes. Rules are same. This is it has a carbon-carbon triple bond. It should be an alkyne. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To name an alkyne, numbering should be done in such a way that triple bonded carbon gets lowest possible number. It is pent 5 carbon. Triple bond is between first and second, pent 1 9. It is alkyne. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. It is hexa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexa. 3-ine. this is one, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Since that triple bonded carbon, this side, this carbon atom is having a methyl group, it is numbered because whatever may be the numbering, triple bond is between third carbon and fourth carbon. If this numbering provides lowest number to the substituent, it is 2-methyl 2-methyl hexa 3-ine. Right? Next one, CH3. It has a carbon-carbon triple bond, no other priority group, substituents are methyl group. Numbering should be done in such a way that triple bonded carbon gets lowest possible number. Its name is what? 4, 4, 4, 4, dimethyl 4, 4, dimethyl penta 1-ine. Clear? CH3, it is here it you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon chain with a triple bond. Triple bond takes priority while numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is your correct numbering pattern. It is 6 bromo, hepta 3-ine. Here triple bond takes priority over bromine. So this is your correct numbering. Very important. Now you are familiar to name a molecule having double bond, 2 double bonds, 1 triple bond, etc. And another one. Can you name this molecule? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple bond is at the end carbon. This is the correct way of numbering. It is hexa alka diene, like alka diene. It is alka diene. One, two, it is hexa 1, 5, hexa 6 carbon hexa, triple bond between first and first carbon as well as at the fourth, hexa 1, 4 diene. Next one, compounds having both double and triple bonds. If there is double and triple bonds are in a molecule, then the molecule is named as alk anion. En for double bond, Yne for triple bond. If molecule has 1 double bond and 1 triple bond, then it is named as alkanion. Alkanion. ALK, ENYNE. There are 2 cases. Case 1, if double and triple bonds are at equivalent positions. If double and triple bonds are at equivalent position, then double bond takes priority over triple bond. For example, it is a molecule having one double bond and one triple bond, locants 1, 2 and 3. Numbering from here also 1 and 3. Here double and triple bonds are at equivalent position. In such a case, double bond ENE, triple bond YNE, E takes priority over Y. So this numbering is correct. It is but 1 and 3 ion. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is double and triple bond, double bond. This is double bond, triple bond, 1, 2 at equivalent position. If double and triple bonds are equivalent position, double bond takes priority. So this numbering is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is its name? Hepta, alk, 2N, alk, N, ion, 5 YNE. If double and triple bonds are at equivalent position, double bond takes priority. Case 2, if double and triple bonds are not at equivalent position, then lowest set of locants is preferred. If double bond and triple bonds are not at equivalent position, come on, in such a case, lowest set of locants is preferred. Lowest set of locants is preferred. For example, see, it is a molecule with one double bond and one triple bond. Here locants are 2 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the number locants are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 4. Which is the correct one? Different double and triple bonds are not at equivalent position. Take your lowest set of locant 2, 5 and 1, 4. 1, 4 is preferred. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is hexa. Double bond hexa 4 and 1 9. If double and triple bonds are not at equivalent position, then lowest set of locants is preferred. If double and triple bonds are at equivalent position, the double bond takes priority. This finishes this session. I think you all got the basic concepts regarding the nomenclature, right? Next class onwards. From the next class, we will go through the naming of organic compounds having functional groups. I think 2 or 3 sessions will be enough for completing this chapter. Go through the video daily. Watch the video very thoroughly and go through NCERT. Wish you good luck. Thank you very much.